Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about the challenges that come with moving an 8-wheel 50,000-pound vehicle across America. There are challenges, but you must embrace them. Hi, we're Publio and Miriam of the Last Coast Journey. Like and subscribe and go travel with us and see our adventures. Before leaving our house, we double checked everything, prepared the motorcycle, make sure it was nice and tight, added a camera to the back to make sure I could monitor everything while I'm driving and know that the bike's not falling off. Thankfully, it all worked out well. Our first issue was a broken glass. As soon as we noticed it, we called the insurance and set an appointment for 6 weeks later. The day that we were about to get the glass changed, we had additional damage. That crack there that actually brought glass into our coach, and another little crack that showed up that same day as well. Thankfully, we had already made an appointment at this wonderful place. They were ready for us. They had the glass ready for us, and they got it done, and we were out of there quick. After ordering tires for our Jeep and making an appointment to get them installed, we found out we did not have the lock to unlock the wheels. Thankfully, my brother and a YouTube video came up with an idea that I was able to find a way to unlock it and get my new tire done. We left home knowing we had air leaks in the leveling system. So when you park your RV and you level it, it doesn't stay level. So we had to find a place to fix it. The place that we found was able to get it fixed. It took 2 days. They found a lot of air leaks in the airlines, yet it wasn't 100%. Later on, we discovered that the keyboard that controls the system was actually turning on by itself and letting out air. We ordered that, put it in, and so far, so good. At our next campsite, while brushing my hair, my elbow just happened to graze the shower door, and boom, there she goes.
In the face. That's good. Alright, look. I'm trying to come here. I'm trying to squeeze this tape up against this wall here.
Okay.
So when we put the plastic here, we just go.
Okay.
So try to get the bottom from the bottom.
That will be right here.
Right.
Okay, but I'm gonna need one at the end too.
It's still not jiving correctly. No importa. Just go with it. Go with it. Okay, this is the slide, and the leak is right here. It starts from right about here and it goes this way to right about here.
So, water intrusion when it rains. That floor was getting soft, so we had to get it fixed. Went to RV Country, and they did a great job.
We're on the side of the road here in Texas, and our coach transmission light turned on. We stopped. Long story short, it would not turn on. Nothing would turn on.
Yep, this was a bit scary. But thanks to Facebook and all the people that commented, especially Dick Bell, who's a pro with these machines, we were able to rig it, get us on the road enough to get to a mechanic where I was able to get the alternator changed. And that solved it all. Thank you, Mr. Dick Bell. After a long ride and making it to the beautiful state of Georgia to see the colors of the trees changing, we set up camp, got to start relaxing, and then one of the slide outs wouldn't come out. There's the slide, and the problem is right here. That chain there does not move. That one down there does. Okay, hit it so you can see it. Okay, stop. You'll see that the slide moved, but it's moving just the bottom. That section right there, bring it in. That one moves, this one does not. It's jammed in there. And that's the system. The Aqua Hot system wasn't working very well, so we decided to get it serviced.
Crazy with this plate because it's got a finish on it that causes reflection for the light sensor.
So just a light cleaning on the top there.
With a brass brush.
Well, that's it. Things happen, problems show up, but you must continue moving forward. Am I gonna let that stop me and my wife from doing the things that we love to do? Absolutely not. We continue to move forward, continue to deal with the issues, and continue to enjoy every moment. I encourage you to do the same. Get out and see this beautiful country we call the USA. It's really an amazing place with amazing people. The people that we meet, the places that we go, and the things that we do are just incredible to us. And we hope you enjoy this video and get to do the same things that we are doing, because just like you, we saw somebody else on YouTube do it and encouraged us to do it. So until tomorrow, my friends, enjoy today.